Thanks for stopping by Look Younger with Debbie. I've been an esthetician for over 20 years and I'm almost 60. And today I want to talk about the importance of lifting the muscles of your face. Now you can do this a couple of ways. One of the ways is to do facial exercise, and I'm all for facial exercises as long as you're doing them correctly and you're not making creases and lines and wrinkles into your face by doing them wrong. Another way is to use microcurrent. Now I have about 4 different kinds of microcurrent machines. I started having microcurrent facials done when I was in my 30s, and then later when I became an esthetician, I added that into what I do for myself and others. So today I want to talk about the NuFace, and this one is very strong. I'm very impressed with it, and you do have to use a conducting gel with it. It comes with this gel. You can't use an oil. You do have to use something to get it to move and to conduct the electricity. So you do need a gel. So I have applied this, and I'm going to show you a little bit on how to do your neck and your face. And so you first turn it on, of course, and it has 4 different degrees of how strong it is. And even though I've had facial toning done for a long time, I can only bring this up to the 3rd one because it is very strong. So I'll just show you to start with your neck, and you're going to go backward. And you're going to hear that beep, and when you hear that second beep, you're done with that pass. And then go to the middle of your neck until you hear the beep, and then right below your jawline. And then you would turn it to the side and you would go upward. And I'm not going to take time for the second beep each time. And then when you're done with your neck, you can move on to your face, and you want to do your jaw until you hear the second one, and right next to your chin until you hear the second one, and you just keep moving up. And then I go back and go upward this way. And it really has given me much better cheekbones. I like to stop just underneath the cheekbone and hold. And again, just underneath the back side of the cheekbone and hold, and then you go up over it, over the top and hold, over the top and hold, and then you're going to go into the forehead. And so you just pull that back as you go. And what I've really noticed about this is it really has helped that 11 between my eyebrows. So if you have some lines on your face, on your forehead, I think this would really help you. And so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and turn that beep off, and you just repeat on the other side, and I think you'll be really happy with it. It won't take too long for you to see a difference, and like I said, I really feel like that my cheekbones are a lot more prominent now that I've been using it. So I'm going to put the description of where to get this on Amazon in the description box, and I hope it's helped, and I'll see you next time.